How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another ETH update. And my oh my, ETH is exploding towards my target. In fact, in yesterday's video, I was saying that ETH could well, in fact, reverse exactly from here because there's a moving average on the daily time frame. On the lower time frames, it's a more significant level. And then because of that reaction, we're seeing it at 3.2k today. Now, this is actually where I said there could be some short-term resistance. And why is that? Well, when we look to the lower level that we were just stuck in, this range here, the resistance we found was a previous lower high. So now that we've broken out through that, this should then become support. But then the next potential resistance is the following lower high. So we've actually got quite a few. The next one is 3.2k. I was making you guys aware of this the last few weeks, but I don't think this is the target in the end. It's 3.6k. I was saying that all the way back in May, June, July, and we're almost in August now. I think we're going to hit it before August, so that's great. That we'll still hit it within this month. Could be there as early as next week. As long as the rejection is not as long as this, which I don't anticipate, but while above 2.7, 2.8k, that target is just going to eventually happen, whether it's immediately next week or if it just stalls off a little bit. Any rejection, I anticipate to hold these previous highs now as lows, now as support, swing highs flipping into swing lows, and so will be used as pivot points if it needs to go down there, which it doesn't. I'll just say, as 3k has been recovered over the weekend, any rejection, it needs to hold 3k, and then it will just continue higher towards 3.6. Lose 3k, and then it's aiming back down towards this key level support, but I don't expect it to go underneath because it's done with that range. It's finally broken out after 2 months of consolidation. So any moment it comes back down, it will just give it a bullish reaction. So all good for 3.6k, exploding toward it very quickly. Honestly, it's been picking up pace the last couple of days, so nice to see that leading into the weekend. It would be incredible if we got there before Friday. However, if we still hover around here for Friday, then it's going to see if 3k will hold. If it does, then continue to 3.6, but failure will go back down towards 2.7, 2.8. But again, expecting that to hold, and 3.6k eventually, whether it's now or later on, will happen. That is it from me today. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. We're about to hit 10k. If you want to jump on a call with me, book a session down below. You can find the link, and I'll teach you the strategy one-to-one. If you don't have as much time, check out the ebook, or if you want to be part of a community where I'm sharing more personal thoughts, and you can also find other like-minded people sharing their own ideas, check out the Discord.